special announcement. Sam?
Thank you, Keith. And thank all of you all for joining us on this very special morning and special occasion. We as a council, the members who stood up last, represent a variety of people who really care deeply about children. They are really a diverse group of people who have a lot of thoughts and opinions and ideas about what needs to happen in our community to make it even greater than it is. We started out just advising the Kosair Charities leadership on just things that deals with community issues and opportunities and challenges that we face in our community to today, having for us the Kosair Charities Advisory Council Christmas party. So this is a party for us. It's a celebration because we've evolved to also identify well-deserving organizations who are doing great work with our children and youth of our community. So this morning is a very special occasion, and we're delighted to have played this role. We've been playing it now for the last 3 years and finding ways to use very hard earned money by Kosair Charities that allows the council to select organizations who are recipients of these funds. And so this morning is the opportunity to celebrate the decisions that we have made on behalf of our community, on behalf of Kosair Charities. And at this time, I'd like to have Gene West come up and really make this party turn up.
Yeah, because not only do you get the big check, you actually get a real check today. So I'm going to, that's really cool. We have 6 groups. First, Doors to Hope. Doors to Hope opens learning opportunities, encourages community involvement, and engages in advocacy for women and immigrant families. Doors to Hope offers several programs, including preparation for taking the GED exam, tutoring for English as a second language, ESL, after-school tutoring, a women's group, and individual advocacy as needed. Lorena Miller, the director, please come up and accept the check for $25,000. Come over and tell us what you're going to use that for.
Yes. Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay. I'm Lorena from Doors to Hope. You know that. We are serving the Latino community, and like the people here from Kosair said, the most important for us are the children and the families, because without the families, the children are not healthy. And we are using this money to implement a computer lab for computer literacy and to support the children in learning to use the computers too wisely. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Lorena. Lemonade Day Louisville is working to empower today's youth to become tomorrow's entrepreneurs. They're helping prepare today's youth for life through fun, proactive, and experiential programs infused with life skills, character education, and entrepreneurship. The foremost objective is to help today's youth become the business leaders, social advocates, community volunteers, and forward-thinking citizens of tomorrow. Lauren Coulter, please come up and accept a check for $25,000.
I'm so excited. Sorry, I'm like a little teary. This will make a great impact to our organization, and we're pretty new here in Louisville, but these dollars are going to go a long way in us really being able to target our and focus our, make efforts into certain areas of Louisville where we feel like this type of curriculum can really help transform a community. So thank you all so much. We appreciate it.
Louisville Leopard Percussionists' mission is to provide a comprehensive musical experience for children that enriches lives and builds community. I'm sure most of you are familiar with it. The Leopard Percussionists are a performing ensemble comprised of 60 student musicians between the ages of 7 to 14. They reside in 26 different Louisville zip codes and attend 48 different schools in and around Louisville. Diane Downs, are you here? Can you please come and accept a check for $35,000?
Unfortunately, Diane could not be here today, and my name is Caroline Taylor. I'm the business manager for the Louisville Leopards, and this is Kelsey Lee, one of our music directors, and she also came up through the program as a student. And this is an amazing grant for us. We've been around a long time, and something we weren't sure how we were going to obtain was a truck to pull our trailer to all the gigs that our kids play. We have the trailer to bring the instruments, and we've been relying on parents here and there, and then a rickety old truck that's Diane's brother's. So we're thrilled to have a reliable way to get our kids to their gigs, which is an important part of their experience, and we're very grateful. Thank you.
First Gethsemane Center for Family Development. Since the incorporation in 1996, it has been the mission of the Center for Family Development to partner with government, business, and civic leaders across the city of Louisville to reduce the barriers of success by providing quality programs and services to our surrounding community through social, educational, and recreational activities. The CFD has the ability to impact not just the surrounding communities, but the entire Louisville metro area. Keith Bush, Senior, Assistant Pastor, Director, please come forward and accept the grant check for $40,000.
On behalf of Dr. T-Von Walker, Chairman of the Board of the First Gethsemane Center for Family Development, Inc., we just want to say thank you for this opportunity to enhance our current programs that are housed under our nonprofit corporation. With this check, we're able to purchase 2 vans that will enhance our current programs, in particular our 9-week summer camp for kids 5 through 13, our Child Development Center, our tutoring program, and our coding program, just to say the least. So we're grateful for the partnership that we have established with Kosair through the years. Thankful for our relationship with Randy Cole, who is really just a pillar in this community. And we say thank you for all that you're doing, and thank you for what you do for this community. Thank you again.
The Academy of Music Production, Education, and Development, or AMPED for short, is a free youth music program that provides a safe environment for youth to explore their creativity through music. AMPED provides free access to education, instruments, technology, and performance opportunities for Louisville's young minds to thrive through the power of music. Dave Christopher, Executive Director, please come and accept a grant check for $40,225.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you, first of all, for having us here. Thank you for this opportunity. Thank you, Sam, the Advisory Council. So what we're going to do with the money that we have here is we, like I said, we serve a lot of youth, and we have a location at Greenwood Avenue. that we've actually reached capacity at, so we just recently opened up a second location in the Shelby Park and Smoketown neighborhood to reach more kids. With these funds, it'll allow us to purchase some more additional recording studio equipment and mobile recording studio equipment, so that we can go out into the community and reach some of those organizations where we haven't established a brick and mortar location at. So it gives us an opportunity to reach more kids. Our program basically, and I tell kids this, is that the music is just a trick to get you into the building so we can pour more into you. A lot of times kids come in and they're attracted to music. They want to learn how to rap and sing and do all these things. But we have an educational assessment counselor on staff, and what she does is she brings them in and says, okay, if you're not doing music, what else would you be doing? And we find out some amazing things about some of our kids. We just recently had 4 young people graduate from our program. They're all 4 now in college. 3 are studying music education. 1 is in county, and 1 is in music production. So we're doing great things with these opportunities, and with organizations like Kosair that allow us to do even more to reach more young people. Because I always say it's one thing to tell kids to do something better, but we really need to give them something better to do, and we believe that at AMP that's what we do. So thank you.
And finally, the Bingham Clinic exists to maximize the emotional and behavioral health of children, adolescents, and families through innovative, comprehensive, and preventive clinical services. This has an impact beyond the region through the education of a child and adolescent mental health professionals and the development and transmission of new knowledge. Dr. Alan Josephson and Dr. Fred Stalker, please come forward and accept a grand check for $70,000.
Oh, thank you all so very much. I know that Kosair has so many needy charities to give this money to, and we are extremely grateful for this amount. What we're going to do with this in our Bingham Child Guidance Clinic, Dr. Josephson is the chief, is modernize our clinic so that internally we have about 30 mental health providers, trainees, and faculty. This is going to allow us to talk with each other internally and learn from each other in real time, so that if someone has a problem or an interesting case, we can record it if necessary with permission, and then also learn from it. It's going to allow us to broadcast training seminars and work with clinics throughout the state in real time to help improve, we hope, the mental health care of children and families in Kentucky. We already work now with Adonta in Eastern Kentucky and Buckhorn Systems in Eastern Kentucky, and we may be expanding. But it's a drop in the bucket, and this will help us both maximize our ability to teach and learn from each other and provide services for other providers in the state, and we are so very thankful for this. Thank you.
So everybody is available for interviews or questions.